Hi, it's me again with Corel Dog Tips and Tricks Part 4. This is almost getting comical. I had somebody leave me a message on one of my videos, and I just made 2 other videos on it, and I go to publish them, and in my email is another one. And it's a great suggestion. At first, I wasn't going to make a video, and I thought, you know what? It's a pretty good idea. Draw a rectangle, Control D to duplicate it, holding down the Shift key to bring it inwardly, any amount, maybe not even that much. And then take this and go to the envelope tool, and you've got this envelope inside there, and you have basically a template. And if you'll go right here to single arc, and then just move this up, this straight down, this over, and the good thing about it, it is going to be perfectly square and perfectly symmetrical. Now let's back up here, and let's say you wanted the lines like I did in part 2 and 3, where you wanted to do this. Am I doing it right? Yeah, that's just too much of a curve. Let's make our if you hold down your Shift key, you can bring this in a little bit. So we're going to grab the envelope tool, and with our single arc mode, just bring these in. I wish this gentleman would have told me this several hours ago, and I would have saved a lot of videos. Well, I like making videos, but there's 3 ways to do it now, and you pick the one you want to do. Now, the good thing, the way with his video, he actually sent me a video on how to do it. The good thing is in this, you could make it maybe more symmetrical. Let's make this thing 18. I had my ratio unlocked. Let's go ahead and make them both 18, and then lock my ratio back. And let's just say you want a particular amount of bow. Control D and make a duplicate, and just make the next one 17. And then you just have a little bit of a bow. And then take that one and actually turn on the envelope tool. You've got to make sure you have a single arc mode. And then you just move that up, and you're going to, basically because it's snapping to it. Anyway, I hope that helped somebody someday. It was a lot of fun. Thank you for watching.